Hello, welcome to Booked Up English. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will review what we learned this week. You will need a pencil and a notebook, or the free download page available in the link. Let's go. Bucket. What's this? This is a bucket. Shovel. What's this? This is a shovel. Truck. What's this? This is a truck. Beach ball. What's this? This is a beach ball. Fishing rod. What's this? This is a fishing rod. R. Rabbit. R says rabbit. What do you pack for vacation? I pack a bucket. I pack a shovel. I pack a truck. I pack a beach ball. I pack a fishing rod. Let's practice. Bucket. 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 Shovel. 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 Truck. 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 Beach ball. Beach ball. Beach ball. Fishing rod. Fishing rod. Fishing rod. A fish. Rabbit. 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 R. R says rabbit. R says rabbit. What letter is it? It is letter R. What does R say? R says er, rabbit. I pack a beach ball. I pack a beach ball. What do you pack? I pack a beach ball. I pack a bucket. I pack a bucket. What do you pack? I pack a bucket. I pack a shovel. I pack a shovel. What do you pack? I pack a shovel. I pack a fishing rod. I pack a fishing rod. What do you pack? I pack a fishing rod. I pack a fishing rod. A fish. Thanks for learning today. Use the notebook page to practice a little English each day. See you soon.